Sakura Flower Girl by Margaret Morales in 40 by 60 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with snow pearls that we have sprinkled on the white background. So simply sprinkle it in areas that you would like to add some glisten. You can place it a bit like how I've done here, or concentrate more on just one corner and kind of give it that glow coming from one particular corner. There is really no right or wrong way to do it. Just have fun and feel creative freedom to place them where you'd like to in the background. Sakura Flower Girl by Margaret Morales in 40 by 60 cm rounds. Version 2 special treatment now adds violet pearls that we have sprinkled not only on her hair, but also on the violet areas on her dress. Sakura Flower Girl in 40 by 60 cm rounds. Special treatment version 3 now adds magenta crystals that we have sprinkled on the red areas of the picture. So basically we've got that ribbon, as well as the ribbon on the front of her dress, and also on the bottom of her sleeves. You can also sprinkle some of them in the middle of the flowers in her hair. And of course there's that bow that connects to that ribbon where we placed magenta. So place a bunch there as well. And feel free to scatter them about as the red becomes pinker and lighter pink. Kind of make it a little bit more scattered and lesser. More on the darker areas and lesser on the light pink areas. And this will give you this effect. Once again, for Sakura Flower Girl version 3, we have snow pearls, violet pearls, and magenta crystals.